If you've ever wondered what separates AI from machine learning or deep learning, you're not alone. These terms get thrown around interchangeably, but understanding the difference helps you choose the right tools for your business. Artificial intelligence is the umbrella term, any system that mimics human thinking. Machine learning is one branch of AI that learns from data. Deep learning is a sub-branch that uses artificial neural networks to handle huge, complex problems like voice recognition or image generation. Once you see how these layers connect, the entire AI landscape starts to make sense. 1. Artificial intelligence, the big picture. Think of AI as the goal, creating machines that think or act intelligently. Everyday examples include Grammarly, which thinks about your writing, or ChatGPT, which converses like a human. 2. Machine learning, learning from patterns. ML is how AI learns, through experience. Tools like Zoho Analytics, AI, and Microsoft Azure ML crunch your data to reveal correlations you'd never find manually. 3. Deep learning, learning through layers. Deep learning uses neural networks, massive webs of digital neurons. Platforms such as the TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Runway ML drive breakthroughs in speech, video, and computer vision. For example, Runway's Gen 1 turns text prompts into short marketing clips automatically. 4. Choosing the right level for your business. If you just need smart automation, AI apps like Zapier AI or Notion AI are plenty. For data-driven prediction, go ML. For image, sound, or text generation at scale, deep learning wins. 5. Integration beats isolation. The smartest companies blend all three: AI for strategy, ML for prediction, deep learning for creative content. Example, an e-commerce brand using Shopify Magic AI, AI for copy, Data Robot, ML for pricing, and Runway ML, DL for product videos. Once you grasp these layers, AI stops being confusing jargon and starts feeling like a toolbox. Each layer solves a different class of problem, and when you combine them, you get systems that learn, predict, and create. That's the true power of modern business AI.